If your Windows PC feels slow, cluttered, or filled with unnecessary features, this tool can fix it in minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Winhance step by step on your PC. First, open your browser and go to Google. Now type Winhance in the search bar and press enter. From the results, click on the official website of Winhance. Make sure you are opening the correct and trusted source. Once the website opens, scroll down until you find the download button, and then click on Download File to start downloading the tool. After the download is complete, open the file. Follow the simple installation steps shown on your screen. It only takes a few seconds to install. Once installed, open Winhance on your PC. You'll see a clean and user-friendly interface with multiple options. Here you can explore different sections like optimization, privacy settings, customization, and more. This tool helps you remove unwanted apps, improve performance, and control system settings easily. In the next video, I'll show you how to fully use this tool and disable AI features in Windows step by step, so make sure to subscribe and don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, like the video and share it with others.